This 2022 Venture RV Stratus SR291VQB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, slide-out, awning, auxiliary battery, skylight, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, oven, water heater, external shower, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Venture RV Stratus SR291VQB is 6,710 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.